Emotional authority is the belief that feelings determine truth and dictate action. I feel it, therefore it's real. I feel it, therefore I must act. I feel it, therefore it's justified. When emotions become the final authority, truth becomes optional. Before the fall, God was the authority. His word defined reality. He said what was good, what was true, what was permitted, what was forbidden. Adam and Eve had emotions, but their emotions lived under God's authority. There was no conflict between what they felt and what was true. They lived in harmony with their creator. The serpent introduced emotional authority as rebellion. He didn't start with behavior, he started with authority. Did God really say, question the word, undermine the authority? Then he reframed a reality around desire. You will not certainly die. Your eyes will be opened. You will be like God. In other words, your perception matters more than God's command. Eve looked at the fruit. It was good for food, pleasing to the eye, desirable for gaining wisdom. It had physical desire, aesthetic desire, intellectual desire. And in that moment, her feelings outranked God's word. Not the part where he said, you must not eat it or you will die, but this feels right. This looks good. This seems desirable. Her emotions became her authority. This was the original temptation. You'll be like God, knowing good and evil. You get to decide. Your feelings define reality. Your desires determine what's truth. The fall was humanity's declaration of emotional independence from God. We traded his authority for our internal compass. And fallen nature has insisted ever since that if I feel hurt, I get to retaliate. If I feel attracted, I should pursue it. If I feel offended, then they're wrong. And if I feel justified, I am justified. Emotions don't just inform us, they command us. Emotional authority is rooted in the fear of submission. To place our emotions under God's authority or under objective truth feels like death itself. It means I can feel something deeply and still be wrong. It means my desires don't get the final say. It means we have to deny ourselves, take up our cross, submit our desires to something higher, and fallen nature recoils from that. Because emotional authority isn't really about feelings, it's about refusing to submit. We want autonomy, control, permission to decide for ourselves. We want to be our own gods. That's why emotional authority dominates modern culture. They say things like, my truth, live your truth. If it feels right, it is right. You can't tell me how to feel. These are echoes of the garden. Internal impulse over external authority. God's question to Eve reveals the trap. What is this you have done? Her emotions said the fruit was good. Her desire said it was right. Her reasoning said it would make her wise. She was wrong. Emotional authority didn't lead to wisdom. It led to exile for all of us. It led to shame, death, separation. Our feelings are real, but they are not reliable arbiters of truth. They were never meant to rule us. They were meant to exist under the authority of the one who made us. Fallen nature keeps repeating Eve's mistake. The feeling over the word. The desire over the command. The impulse over the truth. And we keep ending up east of Eden, wondering why emotional authority never delivers us the freedom it promises.